The Blaupunkt BGX4695 is an outstanding pair of 5-way Pentaxial speakers, celebrated for their exceptional German engineering. Inside the box, you will discover a pair of 6 inches by 9 inches diameter speakers, featuring PP Injected Cone technology. This advanced cone material effectively minimizes audio distortion, resulting in high-quality sound reproduction. The speakers are designed with a maximum handling power of 120 watts, ensuring an immersive and captivating audio experience. You will find a pair of 2.8 meters wire harnesses, offering convenience and ease during the installation process. There are 8 cable clips provided to assist in organizing and securing the wiring. 8 M-type screws are included to facilitate stable and secure mounting of the speakers. Lastly, the package includes a user manual that provides installation and setup information. The 5-way Pentaxial configuration of the speakers allows for a wider soundstage, offering greater depth and clarity. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to our channel for more videos.